So I got this guy up and running again. Has replaced the radiator, replaced the lines under the manifold, and also the differential. It has a play in it. So I've been growing, not a steering rack, I've been growing a thing in my yard, not a plant. It's a body kit, a KBD kit for my car. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put this in my car. First I gotta take out the passenger seat so I can stuff it in there, because I'm gonna go to my friend's house to mount it, because I'm not very responsible on my own. I will try to zip tie it in place. It will not look good. It will be bad. So with some help, I can do a good job. So this needs to come out. Come on. Let me get this thing. Okay. Come on. Here we go. Look at that. Plenty of space for activities. Yes, KBD what is this? Ooh. Is that what that smell is in this car? That actually smells pretty good. I can go down there somewhere. Okay. Alright, just so you know, if you have a KBD kit for your coupe and you need to go mount it somewhere because you don't have the right stuff, you can stuff it in your car if you take out the passenger seat. It fits. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, it might have been one of those videos that disappeared. I got some Chevy truck lights. Actually, I need to see something really quick. I don't know if they actually come with the bulbs. Probably not. Okay, I don't think I can actually mount these today unless I can go get the bulb and the harness from auto parts store. And I also got, my friend told me you could put a Nissan Sentra grill and it will fit with these headlights on the coupe. So instead of spending $600 on bricks, $700, I got these for 60 bucks and I'm gonna make them work if I can. I am so excited. I love this car so much. I've been wanting to make it more aesthetically pleasing since the day I took it home. Because, like, if I could get that light bar off, I would be so much happier. Put that up there. Need my coffee. I will be back to the FC soon. I got the new steering rack like physically in place, and I just got a new power steering pump with the bracket. That's another day though. I'll mess with that another day. Anyways, I need to go drink my coffee, work on my car. Okay, new axle is in place. It's shiny and beautiful. Yes, okay. All right, once that's in there, then we can start on the fun part. Is the light bar coming off?
It is going away.
It's going away? All my pain and suffering, physically or aesthetically. Look at the mess. The mess of zip ties to hold that thing on there. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's an impressive amount of zip ties.
It is.
Let me take some of these off here. Oh, they're like in there like swimwear. More zip ties. I'm gonna make this car beautiful. Beautiful. No more ugly stuff. Zip ties? Like a mountain of zip ties to get through. Yeah, that. Look at all the lines. Now what the heck? I guess it's just extremely long for if we needed to run it somewhere very far away.
Anywhere.
Run it far away from my car, please. What? Ooh, look, it's making sparks over there. I don't know because I'm not over there. But look. I'm so happy. I hope that this can come off today and stay off forever. I can't even pick it up. Yep. Ooh, it's smoky. Look at that beautiful bracket. Just like this side. Now you can hold things. I'm not going to touch it, it's hot. You can hold things. Very nice. Alright, cutting up this bracket. What? Look at this. Sneaky work. Sneaking back in there.
Got them somewhere.
Interesting. So you've made a bracket that is bolting onto the back side of that piece of plastic. You can see it behind there. Oops. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, so he will be welding that little bracket, see that? To hold this Chevy truck headlight. Truck headlight on the car. Oh, just gotta slide it out the way. It's beautiful. Look at that bracket. That's so official. So legit. You know how many zip ties I would use to make that? Way too many. Yep. Legit. Alright, round 2. So what you do is you cut the top part, basically, so that it fits in there.
Yeah, because it hits the hood.
Oh, look at that. He's got an eyeball. So he put 2 brackets in here to hold it. Let's see, right here and right there. He may put one on top though as well, just to hold it in place. Yes, round 2. Look at that coming together. Checking to see if there's power. Noise.
Yes.
There's power. Oops. 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 In the way.
Look at that. Perfect.
Wow. Good job, car.
Proud
You're doing great.
I'm just gonna have to go to a little temporary for now.
Temporary for now? Yeah. Light. It's crazy how that little thing could be bright. That little bitty thing right there. What?
Work because it'd be cool to have like
Nice headlights.
well, like I know like the headlights will be decent
Right.
with bright bulbs, but
I mean, I feel like anything is better than that little light bar.
yeah.
And it looks good.
Mint.
Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna order. There's like some that are clear that'll match these a lot better.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is at least to mock it up. It's there. We are doing temporary wiring for the headlights because I ordered the correct pigtails. I guess. Just for now.
Just to get home.
Yeah. Yep. Headlights.
High beam.
Ooh, yellow. It's making noises.
Yeah, they have fans.
They have fans?
Yeah.
What has fans?
The LEDs to keep them cool.
What?
Yeah. Because LEDs are actually just diodes. They get hot, so they need to be cooled off.
That's wild. That looks really good though. They look like they're bright.
Yeah, they honestly have a pretty good
Shining.
beam pattern too.
They're shining. Here. Wow!
Cut that.
This just does not look like the same car. Not at all. Look at that pipe.
Pipe.
Pipe. What? Okay, how is this bumper held on?
Lots of clips.
Lots of clips? Gross. Come back. Come back down, little guy. What?
What is that?
What is that?
It's just a ground. Spare ground.
Nice. It's my emotional support differential. Alright, to get to the bumper. Oh, is it all these little guys?
Mm-hmm.
Bing, bing, bing. Okay, looks like little tins. Little tins. Look at it. The bumper's off. Look how ugly the butt is. It's an ugly butt. Uh-oh. Yeah. What? See how it sits?
See how it does.
If it fits the ships anywhere in the country. Beautiful. That looks so nice with the exhaust.
Yeah.
Like that flows a lot better. Yeah. Gotta lower the front more. Look at that. Time for the skirts. The skirts. Look at that. Wow. Different car. We're gonna make some brackets to like pull this out so that it fits a lot better. Well, not fits, but looks a lot better. Yeah. That's it. Side skirts are on. Just close it in the door. It's good to go. Got the skirts on one side. Look at that. So basically you made a mark at the height of where it's supposed to project.
Yep.
And then adjusted it. Wow. These may be some good headlights. That's cool. Adjustable, so it's important keep this little thing if you decide to do these headlights so that you can adjust the height of them and they're not in a fixed position. Because look at that. Boom.
They actually have a really good cutoff. Like they don't glare that or anything.
Yeah, they look really nice. I'm excited. Wow, I could probably see at night. That'd be a first. Wow, yellow? That is so cool. I just wanted to show you guys. I can actually see. Oh, hold on. I don't have power steering. Ooh. Okay. Look at that. That's so cool. I can see where I'm going. And there's my baby. Oh my god, I'm so in love. It looks so good. It's driving so good. No more helicopter noises. It was definitely just the axle that was bad. I just can't believe it looks so good. I'm so happy. Oh, I've been wanting this for so long, and it's just so cool to see it like right in front of me. I just didn't know it was so obtainable in this amount of time. But yes, my friend Ryan is awesome. I really appreciate all of the help today. He's a lot more meticulous than I am when it comes to things like this, and I really appreciate my friends because they are so freaking cool, helping me bring my dreams to life. But I hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna stare at my car for way too long, okay? Like right now, I can't even believe this is my car, and the gas pump can't even believe it either. Look at him. He's like, yo, manifest, bro. Well, here we have it. Manifestation. Unfortunately, I need to move to another pump because manifesting gas into my car is just not gonna work the same, you know? So, come on, get on there. Get on there, you stinky thing. Thank you. Moving along.